Imagine you are a young boy with a dream of owning the biggest automobile company in the world. You live in a small village, poor and without much money. But your heart is full of big ideas. This is the story of how that boy, Soichiro Honda, turned his dream into reality, creating the Honda Company. A heartfelt tale of hope, hard work, and rising from nothing to touch the stars. It's an inspiring story that can light up the world. If stories of dreams coming true warm your heart and inspire you to chase your own, give this a like and subscribe for more uplifting tales. Your support means the world. In a quiet village nestled among green hills in Japan, back in 1906, a boy named Soichiro was born into a simple life. His home was a modest wooden hut where the roof leaked during rains, and the family shared one small room. His father mended bicycles under the shade of an old tree. His hands were always stained with grease, his back bent from years of toil. Money was scarce, like drops of water in a dry well. Enough for rice and vegetables, never for toys, never for new clothes. Yet young Soichiro's eyes sparkled with wonder. He would sit by his father, watching wheels spin, listening to chains click, imagining machines that could carry people far and fast. Like magic chariots from fairy tales. One crisp autumn day, when Soichiro was just 8, a miracle rolled into the village. A car, shiny, rumbling like gentle thunder. It belonged to a traveler from the city. As it passed, kicking up dust, Soichiro's heart raced. Someday, he whispered to himself, I'll build something even greater. I'll make vehicles that everyone can afford, so no one feels stuck in one place. But dreams seemed distant for a poor boy. Neighbors chuckled at his wild ideas. Stick to the fields, child. Riches are for the lucky ones born with silver spoons. As he grew into a teenager, life grew harder. School was a luxury his family couldn't afford. So Soichiro set off to the bustling city of Tokyo. His pockets were empty. His spirit was full. He became an apprentice in a noisy garage, sweeping floors, fetching tools, enduring grumpy mechanics. The work was backbreaking. Long hours under the sun, hands blistered from scrubbing parts. He earned pennies. He slept on a thin mat in a corner of the shop. But every night, by the flicker of a lantern, he sketched ideas, engines, wheels, dreams on scraps of paper. This is my path, he told himself. From these small steps, I'll climb to the top. Years passed. The world darkened with the shadows of war. Bombs fell, factories crumbled. Japan lay in ruins. Soichiro returned home. His village was scarred. His father's workshop was gone. Hunger gnawed at everyone. Hope felt like a faded memory. But in that despair, Soichiro saw a spark. People needed to move, to fetch food, to rebuild. With a handful of saved coins, with bits of scrap metal, he started tinkering in a makeshift shed. He attached old army generators to bicycles. Clunky machines, clever solutions. They puttered along dusty roads. They worked pretty, but they worked. Soon villagers lined up to buy them. You've given us wings, one old farmer said. His eyes misty. Word spread like wildfire. Soichiro poured his heart into improving them. Sleepless nights, grease-stained hands. In 1948, with a small loan from kind neighbors, he founded the Honda Motor Company. Simple borrowings, promises to repay with interest. It started in the same humble shed. Just a dozen friends as workers, all sharing the same dream. They built motorcycles, reliable, affordable, faithful companions on life's journey. Sales trickled in, then flowed like a river. Soichiro treated his workers like family, shared meals, listened to ideas. "We're in this together," he'd say, his smile warming the coldest days. And beyond, winning hearts, winning races. The real victory wasn't trophies. It was families traveling together, smiles on their faces. Emboldened, Soichiro dreamed bigger. Cars for everyone. In the 1960s, Honda rolled out its first automobiles. Small, zippy, full of joy. The world was changing. Fuel shortages reshaped choices. People wanted efficiency. Honda fit perfectly. He expanded overseas. Factories in distant lands. Jobs created. Friendships formed across oceans. Honda went public, an IPO, selling shares to the public, raising capital for growth. Wealth came slowly, not a flood, a steady stream. Soichiro became a millionaire, then a billionaire. Honda's value soared through market capitalization. But he never forgot his roots. Simple clothes, humble meals, generous giving. Schools built, children helped. Money is a tool, he'd say. Happiness comes from creating something that lasts. Through global economic storms, Honda endured. Markets fell. Honda adapted, diversified investments, reduced risks, innovated relentlessly, with heart. Soichiro stepped back in his later years, watched robots dance, watched planes kiss the sky. When he passed in 1991, the world mourned, but his spirit lived on. Honda stood tall, a beacon of possibility. This is more than a story. It's a whisper to your soul. If you're facing hard times, remember Soichiro. From sweeping floors to steering an empire, wealth blooms from perseverance, from kindness, from bold dreams. You have that fire too. Fan it. Watch your world change. If this touched your heart and motivated you to dream big, please like and subscribe. Let's spread inspiration together. Share in the comments. What's the dream burning in your heart? This might be the start of your own sweet success story.